Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2013 Toyota Tundra, a real epic truck. And it's got a dent right here in the rear quarter. I got it warm, not super warm. Let me turn my hat around. I got this tail light out. I didn't even take it off. I'm just gonna access it through this factory big huge hole here. Bertha in there, and I'm gonna find myself right at the top of the dent. Right here at the top, and you can walk with me down through the middle. Let's just go right on down. Make some real slow baby pushes. These pushes are about 2 pounds. About 2 pounds of pressure coming in on this one. I'm going right into the center, and I'm just pushing basically in the same spot but a millimeter away from itself every single push. Excuse the background noise. We got a little bit of construction going on, and sorry that I'm turned away from you guys right now. We do need to get a microphone, I know. Thanks for the comments. But at this point in the video, since this dent's going away, I better get my little line in. I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on the video. I really do. If you would hit that subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. And now that this dent is gone, here's a little trick, guys. When you get it gone to that point of you can't see it in the board, and that board's 3 or 4 feet away, now we can either cross-check, which is go from down here and look at a different angle. But what I'm going to do is this. We're going to back it up, whoa, not make another dent, and go like this and get a finer angle on it. That's just a little piece of dirt right there. Get a finer angle on it to see if there is anything left. And I see now there is. See that? There's a little bit left right there, guys. So now that I can see that super fine bit, I'm gonna come right in here and dial that stuff out. Finish that little area so it looks nice and flush. And no paint was harmed during the making of this video. No holes were drilled for this dent other than by the factory. And I'm just gonna kind of stay in that center right there. I don't know if you guys have a visual, but this is that finite, super fine, 95+% portion of the dent where it gets really hard to see, even for me, guys. You get all those lines straight, and then you're like, oh, there's just a little bit of a wave. What are you really looking at? So right where that wave breaks, right where that little line gets a little bit fat, is where I want to tighten it up. And now I'm basically just showing off because this dent is done. It's really done. I'm just trying to get to that 100% mark on this one. Even though it's white, 95% is really hard to see with my level of dewness. But yeah, I think this one came out real nice. This was a free dent we just saw on the other side of the car. If you saw the other video, we had a larger dent on this car. Sure do appreciate everybody clicking on the video. If you would, hit that subscribe button and then hit that like button on the way out if you liked it. Otherwise, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.